Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 7 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's find them and tap on them. And now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's localize a special number which is called build number, and as you can see it will be at the very bottom of the list, and all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Now we have to confirm it with our screen lock, and as you can see we've got this information, so we can go back to the general settings. Now let's enter the system, which is right above the About Phone, and here tap on Advanced. As you can see here, we've got the developer options, so let's simply enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show view updates, we can change the animation scale, we can show surface updates, visual feedback for tabs, etc. So a lot of options to choose from to customize. Basically, everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. So just tap on the switcher in order to activate the option. And whenever the option does not have the switcher, simply tap on it in order to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on this switcher on this blue background, which is pinned to the top of the screen. As you can see, after tapping on it, the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.